Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 5 Hidden Springs Drive in Pittsford.
This is a spectacular Pittsford dream home updated to perfection, bordering a pond with scenic views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is a designer showcase home with exceptional open living. Starting with a spacious light and bright kitchen with stainless steel appliances, a tile backsplash, granite countertops, a center island, a dining area, and a wet bar, leading to an elegant formal dining room with crown molding, a wall of windows, and beautiful floors. Plus, the hallmark of this home, a cathedral ceiling living room with a gorgeous brick fireplace and mantel, all with deck access and scenic pond views.
This first floor owner suite has it all, with a spacious bedroom featuring a cathedral ceiling and pond views, a walk-in closet, and a spa bathroom.
The first floor also features a convenient laundry room and powder room, with an adjacent bedroom, while the upstairs is perfect for family and guests, with 3 spacious bedrooms with scenic views and a full bathroom. Enjoy all the extra living space in this finished walkout lower level, with a bonus room or potential bedroom with a gorgeous brick fireplace and an executive office area with great natural light, plus great storage. This is an entertainer's dream, with an expansive deck, overlooking the lower deck with a relaxing pool, and the most scenic pond views with an island, all surrounded by exquisite landscaping on almost an acre. This quaint Pittsford neighborhood has beautiful homes and scenic ponds, with a premier location minutes to the village of Pittsford, the YMCA, and the University of Rochester Medical Center and Strong Hospital.
Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 5 Hidden Springs Drive in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!